about the land. Thank you to all 100 children who done get to we GoFundMe campaign.
Right.
We finally reached the 20K mark on yesterday. We
Wonderful.
finally reached that benchmark of 20,000. So in October, yes, praise the Lord. Yes, thank you. And so for those who want to continue to give, go to GoFundMe to the Gullah Geechee Land Legacy Fund. GoFundMe, the Gullah Geechee Land Legacy Fund, and continue to give. Because when we're out here doing these political battles, it takes money. It takes money. It takes money to fight these things.
Right.
It could cost you your job.
Right.
Cost you money. Okay. So the money goes into us legally fighting these battles, also assisting with taxes when need be, and also just educating our community about what have we all been talking about, their rights.
Right.
So please, if you say, well, I don't fool up with GoFundMe, Queen, I don't deal with that. A lot of people have become unified during this pandemic through giving donations directly to individuals and to causes through Cash App. You can do that as well. Go to $ Gullah Geechee Nation, $ Gullah Geechee Nation on Cash App. Donate any amount, because literally every dollar counts. Every moment counts in life. Every choice you make counts. Every time you speak up, it counts. Yes. You might think it's not a big deal, but it can make all the difference in the world for the coming generations.
Yes.
You've heard us talk about that. That's why we're honoring first our ancestors that worked in unity in the task system on plantations, but they thought, and they left we this your land. They worked till they left this your land.
Yes.
So how we going to work against one another instead of work together, children, for hold upon the land now. And hold on to our rights, our water rights, our land rights, our human rights. And so the more unified you become, the more energy you have.
Yeah. Oh,
because
praise.
You're not flying solo. Yes. You got a whole group of folks flying in formation together. Yes. And sometimes you can just coax on the power of the wind beneath the other's wings. When you get tired, you feel weary, they don't let you fall because together we're unified.